Hello guys! Today you will learn to create silicone mold with just 2 ingredients, and this is the piece I'm going to use as a sample. You will need 1 container for mixing ingredients, glass, plastic, whatever you have. Then a silicone. I suggest universal, transparent, the brand doesn't matter really. And a starch. Only 2 ingredients. Let's get down to the business. First, pour the silicone into the container. I use a smaller amount because I will only need it for 1 mold, and that's about 50 milliliters of silicone. And to this measure of silicone, I add 2 full tablespoons of starch. And first I will knead it with a spoon, and then I will need non-sticky dough from this mixture. My advice is to use rubber gloves if you don't want to remove pieces of silicone from your hands and fingers later. And you can also use a face mask because this silicone has a very strong smell, a little bit unpleasant. I got the dough similar to plasticine, and the more we play with it and knead, you will get more elastic mixture, but don't do it for too long because it will soon start to dry. But I have to agree, it is a stress relief process. The next step is to shape the obtained mixture on the sample for creating the mold. I will slowly stamp it so that I take into account the shape from the inside. The outer shape of the mold does not play any role, so pay attention to shape the dough well around the sample. Slowly and gently with your fingers, you're just going to feel it. When you finish with shaping, you will need to leave it for 24 hours to be well dried. After 24 hours of drying goes the molding, and I'll test my mold by pouring the prepared plaster. Instructions for preparing the plaster is in the description of the video. And when the plaster has dried, I will slowly and gently take it out of the mold. And this is my heart shape. Here it is. You can see how smooth the surface is, and that's why I said it's more important how you shape the dough from the inside. My heart is now ready for decoration, a dot mandala or a swirl spiral design, of course. And if you don't know how to decorate it, feel free to watch one of my tutorials and have fun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.